A freshly painted front door transforms curb appeal and improves weather resistance and security. Use a high gloss or semi-gloss enamel to get a durable, easy to clean finish that stands up to handling and the elements. These finishes shed dirt and resist scuffs, so maintenance is simpler. Choose an oil-based paint or an exterior acrylic urethane finish when possible because they provide superior adhesion and longer lasting protection compared with ordinary latex wall paint. For bare wood or metal, always sand to a smooth surface and apply an appropriate primer that blocks tan and bleed on wood and prevents flash rust on metal, and allow each coat to dry fully before the next step. Apply 2 thin finish coats rather than 1 thick coat to avoid runs and to build even gloss and film thickness. Keep brush strokes consistent and use a high-quality synthetic or natural bristle brush matched to the paint type. When working in cool or humid conditions, follow the paint manufacturer drying time guidance and avoid painting in direct sun that can cause the finish to skin over and trap solvents. Protect surrounding surfaces with low-tack masking and use a flexible, low-profile brush technique at edges to get a crisp line without tape if you have a steady hand. Homeowners often skip proper surface preparation, which leads to peeling and uneven gloss. The fix is to remove loose paint, sand to feather edges, clean with a mild detergent, and rinse, then prime appropriately. Another common issue is choosing the wrong sheen or paint chemistry, which results in frequent touch-ups and poor durability. Match the paint type to substrate and select high gloss or semi-gloss enamel or exterior acrylic urethane for doors. People also undercoat hardware and thresholds or ignore weather stripping, which shortens the life of the job and undermines security and energy performance. Remove or mask hardware, replace weather stripping, and reinstall new or renewed hardware after the finish cures for a complete refresh. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find new work related to exterior house painting and other projects. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post photos so we can all learn from real experiences.